crank. I'm not buying any cranks. Were you a welder once?
No, this is my first time, I think.
Really? That's comforting.
So what's up?
Being that I like breaking cranks right before shows, you know? And we got Brock Gill, he's doing the welding.
The welding.
And hopefully it's gonna work out. Otherwise, if it don't, I'll just slam on my face.
Hey, what happens if this doesn't work?
That's what I just said. I said if it
all part of
don't,
the show.
I'll just like land on my face. The worst thing that could happen is usually when that breaks, like you just stabs your shin. Just,
Tears you wide open, you
Yeah.
bleed all over, you gotta go get
Really?
stitches.
Yeah. I ain't gonna do nothing big on it, but I'll at least be able to ride and do some stuff.
What background stuff are you doing?
I'll finish it like a bar ride. Stand on handlebars. Hopefully.